Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head back to the state of Florida. And we're going to go to Lakeside Park in North Palm Beach. I'll be flying my DJI Neo drones. Lakeside Park is a great place to fly drones. And they trimmed the mangroves, so now you can see clearly the Intracoastal Waterway. And that's Singer Island way out there, and here we go. As soon as I got up, I could see a fishing boat out there. And I'll have to say the DJI Neo is a cool little drone, and it's got a great camera too. A flock of egrets took off, so I wanted to see if I could spot them with the drone, and sure enough I did. There had to be 40 of them. This is actually the first time I'm flying over water with the DJI Neo. It was a calm day, no wind, and I was having a great time. I'm really not an FPV, guys. I'm flying it like a camera drone. But I'll fly through the trees a little later. And that's secret spot number 1 down there, but it's a little too far for me to walk now with my bad back. And for $199, DJI really has an excellent drone here. And actually, you could have got it for $159 on the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. And that's Bunyan Island right there. And there's Singer Island and the Atlantic Ocean. I like flying the DJI Neo with the DJI RC-N3 controller. But as you can see, Lakeside Park has a beautiful beach. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. Really can't fly at Lakeside Park on the weekends because the beach and the park is loaded with people. But let's see if I can bring the Neo back without hitting this palm tree or the mangroves. I did it. Now let's fly through the palm trees. I know you FPV guys are laughing at me, but I'm having fun. Well, there you have it, my DJI Neo flight at Lakeside Park. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my live podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.